Hi, this is Oliver at Video Guys, and today I'm going to be unboxing the BirdDog Eyes P200 NDI camera. This is a new product from BirdDog. We actually just got our first shipment in, so we're going to jump right into it. Now, as you open up the box, first thing you're going to see is instructions on updating the firmware, as well as all of the proper literature that comes with the product, such as instructions, and of course BirdDog stickers, because this product's super fun. Now, getting into what's in the box, you have all your necessary literature as well as your cables, which includes your power cable if you're not using the PoE feature, and then you have your remote, just for remote control options, just in case you're not using an interface that controls it, such as the joystick. Then you get into the camera itself. So as you can see, this is actually a really sleek design from BirdDog, and it gives you a really good smooth picture. So this camera is full NDI rather than NDI HX, and it includes a Sony CMOS backlit sensor. So I want to take a look at the back of the camera as well, and we can just break down all of the ports, starting with your SDI port. That's a 3G SDI. Right next to it, you're going to see an HDMI port. If you're not working off the NDI model, these are just for your older workflows, your wired workflows. Next to that, you'll see your power over Ethernet NDI port. One single Ethernet cable will give you full control over the camera and will power the camera up, so you won't even need a power cord. Right next to that, you're going to see two very similar ports. That's your RS232 on the left and your RS422 on the right. And if you look at a switch between those, you're gonna see this switch right on top. That's your IR select switch. You'll see that little dial right next to that that's present on the back of pretty much all PTZ cameras. That's to pick out your video format. Next to that, you'll see the USB 2.0 port, and that's only available through upgrade, but it is present and you can access this camera through USB. On the bottom left, you're gonna see how you're gonna power the camera up if you're not using the power over Ethernet feature through a DC12V port. On the top right, you're also gonna see your audio out, audio in ports. And then on the top right corner, you're also gonna see your CVBS port. That stands for Composite Video Blanking and Sync. So the BirdDog Eyes P200 NDI PTZ camera is available at videoguys.com at $27.99. Or you can give us a call for more information at 1-800-323-2325. Again, that's 1-800-323-2325. I'm Oliver from Video Guys. Thanks for watching. Video Guys is available Monday through Friday. Give us a call at 1-800-323-2325. Don't forget to follow us on Twitter and Instagram to stay connected with all of our updates. And you can like us on Facebook. Keep an eye out for our live videos, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.